Hello everyone, thank you for joining me on these mini tutorials for the series that I'm doing on Bash versus PowerShell. And the idea is that I'll try to solve a practical problem using both Bash and PowerShell. So this gives you an idea about my approach and the differences between two shells. The first problem is the problem of pay stubs. The idea here is that when you go to your websites such as ADP to get a copy of your pay stub, if you get it month by month, good for you. That tells me how organized you are. But if you're like me, at the end of the year you just want to get all of your pay stubs for your accountant, you'll end up with a bunch of download folders. And as you can see here, you see I have a bunch of these, and each, because ADP limits the files you can download to 10, so that's problematic. So you'll end up with a bunch of folders like this. So the for me, it was annoying. I just wanted to have everything in one parent folder and name it pay stub with ending with the year that we're in. So my solution to that was, I thought that would be a good problem to solve it with a little script. So no more introduction or talking about this. Let's do it already. The idea is that we just want to basically grab all of these files and bring it to the same level as here. So I'll start. There are two things that come into my mind. Is that I can loop over these subfolders and then grab each file and bring them here. That's one solution. I have another solution that I'll show you also. So let's do for file in PDF. Yeah, all of their extensions are in PDF, and then we say do and hit enter. So it understands because we didn't finish the statement here, so it gives us the prompt to type more. So I'm just gonna say move $file to refer to that file here. Dot means here, move them here where I already am, and then hit enter, and then we just say done. And look, everything got moved here. Just to confirm, we can see, yeah, these are empty. You saw that effect because probably there was still moving files, but right now if you look, they're all empty. And alright, great. So let's I want to show you the other way. So I wrote this distribute.sh that takes all of these files and distributes them evenly into these subfolders again. So this way I can show you what's the other way of doing it. So let's put everything back. So look, you can see everything's back here. So now let's do the other one. Alright, so let's talk about the other way. I'm going to use find. I'm saying find here with minimum depth of 2 levels, looking for type of files with the name that has our PDFs. And once you find that, execute move and move everything basically here. Okay, doesn't like this because there was no space between this and this. Alright, boom, everything. Alright, we're gonna be working in PowerShell now to try to do the same thing. So I'll start with, I've typed it already, you could see it here. Um, we start with get child item. Uh, that is the equivalent of ls for listing directories. For the path, we say start with here, and we say go one level down. Look for anything that has dot, anything that's ending with PDF. We're specifically asking for files, and then we're going to pipe that output as an input for each object. For each object is going to allow us to perform an operation. In this case, we're just moving the files, and $sign underscore allows us to reference to that object that's passed to for each object, which in this case is the file, and we just want to get the access the property with dot full name, which gives us the name of the file, and the destination is going to be in the directory that we are, and that's what's shown with the dot. And if we hit enter on the right side, we just saw that the same thing happened.